Number 7. Vuzix Next Gen Smart Glasses. Vuzix is the company behind next-generation smart glasses technology. These ultra-slim glasses use a pair of tiny LED projectors, one for each eye, that offers crisp video when receiving notifications or viewing text on the lens. The LEDs are 1 micron in size, making them some of the smallest LEDs in the world. There are noise-canceling microphones built in that will allow you to accept phone calls with crystal-clear audio quality without having a lot of background noise. There are acoustic chambers built into the earpieces of the glasses that allow you to hear your color in high quality without disturbing those around you. You can communicate with your phone using your voice's simple tap or the displays built into the lenses. These glasses may look like ordinary glasses, but they offer technology that is bar none and blows the competition away. Number 6. Tap Strap 2. With a Tap Strap 2, you can wirelessly emulate a keyboard, mouse, or air gestures across various devices. It is perfect for use with a VR gaming console, smartphones, tablets, PC, or even projectors to control a slideshow or video. With full keyboard support, you can type any character in any language with ease. You can even swap between your left and right hand. The device can intelligently recognize the difference and make changes on the fly. With a tap map or tool, you can quickly and easily customize your gestures or simulator keystrokes, making this perfect for any occasion. It's easier than ever to control all of your devices simply by lifting your fingers. You can type using VR, R, and even XR, and equip the Tap Strap to smartphones, projectors, televisions, computers, and much more. You can find Tap Strap to right now on Amazon. Number 5. Filmatic. Filmatic is a small yet powerful outdoor projector that you could take anywhere. This projector is wireless, waterproof, drop-resistant, and even has a built-in speaker weighing just 200 grams. This tiny projector is perfect for taking on your next camping trip or vacation. It can fit in your pocket with its longest edge measuring just 3 inches. It is designed using all-metal components so that it can never be crushed or broken from a fall. It offers DLP image technology, far outperforming its competitors. Automatic keystone correction will keep you from constantly adjusting the edges and tilt of the image. It does the hard work for you. It will also automatically focus and can project images and up to 4K. The screen size can vary from 120 inches to 30 inches, making it perfect for all occasions. Number 4. Idle Cam. The Idle Cam is an all-new way to vlog your daily life and is the perfect all-in-one vlogging camera. This camera offers everything you need to master the art of vlogging and increase your YouTube following. This camera is super easy to put together and can be assembled in seconds. It offers fluid dynamic camera movements in a tiny package that will remain sharp and stable, no matter what you're up to. You can even take photos using one of 7 different lenses for the best possible effect. The 4-axis stabilization handle helps you capture action shots perfectly without the image looking shaky. There are also several lighting add-ons to choose from, so you will always have the best possible lighting even at night. One of the best features is that you can even purchase a customizable 24-karat name tag to personalize your camera and prevent theft. Number 3. Boyo. Boyo guarantees you've never seen a booklight like this. This is a booklight that is both stylish and functional and helps provide even lighting when you're reading at night. The light is powered by tiny LEDs. They give you even warm lighting no matter where you are. The band is made of genuine leather and is laminated so that it will last for many years. The leather's bonded together with synthetic thread and offers finished edging for the best possible appearance. Aluminum buckles are also included to give the light a polished appearance. The on and off control is located on the end of the light alongside a touch lighting dimmer to choose your desired brightness. A magnetic clip will let you store the light away for later use, and the battery housing is neatly hidden behind the leather so that your light will always look as elegant as possible. Number 2. JetBoil Flash. JetBoil Flash is a stove camping system that can allow you to boil water while off the grid in as little as 100 seconds. This device is truly an all-in-one product and is necessary for any modern hiker or camper. The JetBoil Flash is one of the most compact cookware devices on the market, and one out in the wilderness is truly a must-have to keep you safe, hydrated, and warm. For $99, the JetBoil can be yours. The JetBoil is equipped with a 1-liter cup that can maintain its temperature for several hours, keeping your beverage warm without the hassle of electricity. The Jetboil can be combined with many different accessories such as a coffee press, a hanging kit, a pot, a skillet, and even a full-sized cooking attachment. It comes in a variety of colors, and when you're ready to use it, you can pop it up in just a few seconds and have boiling water ready faster than ever before. Number 1. OctoPlus. OctoPlus is a new professional backup and trans-cutting solution that is perfect for storing and backing up all your most important data. This system uses one-touch backup technology to make saving your data super easy. You can transfer files at speeds of up to 2,100 megabytes per second. There's a removable solid-state drive for lightning-fast storage even while on the go. It uses a RAID 1 redundancy system for maximum reliability and even has an error-free checksum. There is a hot-swappable battery so that you'll never need to power down the system before adding some extra juice, and it is compatible with both USB-A and USB-C cables, making it perfect for any computer setup. To top all of this off, there's even a built-in SD card reader when compared to other drives. The OctoPlus can transfer files in about 1/3 of the time it would take competing drives. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.